Have a big box here for video reviews for the YouTube channel. Let's see, what is it? So these are accessories for a Tesla Cybertruck. I know now where to go. There's a Tesla service center nearby, so I'm not gonna open it now, even though it says open here, because I'm gonna go to the Tesla service nearby to do it. So this is for the center console, and this other one, I don't remember what it was. I think it's kind of a cup holder or something like that. And it's just like a tray. So it's a tray for organizing all the stuff inside the truck. There are a couple of mounts or brackets for the mounting, and this plastic material, so nothing slips out of it. So we'll do that. It comes with a cool looking screwdriver for the installation. So instruction for installing this is the Tesla Cybertruck under screen tray. So we'll do that tomorrow. So here I found an owner, a proud owner of a Cybertruck. And I have these accessories. Let's see how easy or difficult the installation is. So this one is a Tesla Cybertruck under screen tray. The screwdriver to install. So you disassemble. I have to find if there's a hole here. Let me check it out. It's supposed to go here. You are amazing. You hope you love your car. New product. So this one is lower console organizer. Oh, this one goes in there. Let me see.
Are you taping it?
So let's see if this one just goes in here. Yeah, it looks like it. Super easy.
You just leave it
here? Just leave it there. It looks like it. Follow direction of the arrow.
Should at least
lower console garbage can.
Oh, garbage.
Big sponge. So it looks like this one just goes in there. I don't know if it will move or not. So this truck had the floor mats in the back. We installed them. Now we have this little tray. This can be a garbage can that you can take out. I still will think it will have some kind of something to hook it, but it didn't come with anything. So here are the instructions. Hold the lower tray with both hands and install upwards behind the screen. So like that. Oh, I see. This one. There you go. That car is amazing too. So now that I read the instructions, let's see what how you organize your stuff. Your glasses, your keys. Remember, you have another one out here. Another key. Some money there. So here, phone can go there. I think it's pretty nice addition.
Very nice.
Pretty useful. So install the floor mat, the trays. Still, this one didn't come with anything to secure it there. But you tell me, let me know after a couple of days if it moves or not. If it does, we can put one of those dual tapes underneath. And I think I don't know if I have any in the back, but yeah, some Velcro, yeah. But it will hold. Okay, you're happy?
I am very happy. Thank you so much.
No, thank you. There you go. It was easy. Tesla Cybertruck upgrade. 3-in-1 lower console organizer. good product. There you go, another Tesla happy customer.